Good morning, welcome to another edition of Direct Box Slots. Honestly, it seems the hotter is getting outside, the colder is getting inside. So let's get to this without any further ado. Well, we have a great selection of items today, which I will call glibly peaches and cream. First up, we have this wonderful Calla Lily mango, rich hues of red, orange, and yellow with a wonderful gold spadix. Calla Lily mango. Next to that we have Astrantia Pink, a wonderful Astrantia major, white field with hues of blush and pink, just daintily sitting above the sepals. Astrantia Pink. Next to that, an all-time classic, Hydrangea white medium. These have been in short supply of late, so I do hope you take advantage of their availability in this week's Direct Box Lots. Hydrangea white medium. Then we have this wonderful, fairly new Chrysanthemum. This is a Disbud called Fairytale, a genuine pale blush chrysanthemum, and when it opens it has many aspects of a dahlia, but much less expensive and much hardier. This is Chrysanthemum Disbud Fairytale. Down below, also a great value item, but with hints of wonderful pale blush. This is really romantic, although antithetically the name is Brut, B-R-U-T. Wonderful pale carnation, great for wedding work. Carnation Brut. Next to that, a very rare item. This is Ranunculus Cloney Grand Pastel. Fantastic shades of peachy pink. Very large, opens to about 4 inches in diameter when open. Very thick stems, wonderful value. Next to that we have Eryngium Azure Blue with these really fabulous tones of blue, aquamarine, nestled in green thistly type sepals. Fabulous item, Eryngium Azure Blue. And to close it out, we have this wonderful rose. This is Carpe Diem, loaded with petals, a beautiful rich peach with hints of pink, and opens in the very much a garden style rose. Rose Carpe Diem. Well, there you have it. We've got all these items and much more in Direct Box Lots this week. I do hope you take advantage of that. And until again, I'm signing off. Have a great week.